Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to get my WhatsApp link. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step that we'll do is to open the WhatsApp application on our device. The app doesn't have a specific option that allows us to copy our WhatsApp link, so we'll use a little trick to manually generate the link. All we have to do is to open a conversation with a person with whom we would like to share our link. You can do this WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, or any other messaging platform, it really doesn't matter. Then we need to type the following WME/ and then enter your WhatsApp phone number after the slash, and you have to make sure to enter the country code also, so enter the country code with a plus then your WhatsApp phone number, and you can send that into the conversation. That will be your WhatsApp link. When you send it to someone and the person clicks yes on the link, it will open a conversation with you in WhatsApp, and they can start messaging you in the app and have a conversation with you. That's how you can get your WhatsApp link. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.